welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Are you ready for a simple activity today?
I would love to have just something simple today.
Okay.
And you know what? Just as always, we've asked permission to use some supplies from the house.
I'm glad you did because I took the pepper.
You took the pepper.
Yes, I did.
As long as you didn't take the cookies from the cookie jar.
I did not. Okay, so here's the bowl of water.
Okay, seems simple enough so far.
Simple enough. And here is
Pepper.
pepper. A container of pepper. I found the big one in my house. So if you have the smaller one, that's fine too. So all we're going to do is sprinkle a little bit of pepper around the water. Make sure it's covered. I kind of like it looking a little black, so maybe I'll put a little bit more. Okay, does that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like the surface of your water's pretty peppered.
Pretty peppered. Watch what I do.
Okay.
Nothing. It's all stuck in my finger,
Yep.
right? All right, so now let's try something else.
Okay.
Carr, I think you have a container of soap there.
Yep.
Yes, you do. So if you could open that and put just a little bit on your finger.
Okay.
Just so, there you
like
go.
that?
Just like that. You can rub it a little bit on your finger. There you
Okay.
go. Okay? And then
Now I do the same thing?
stick your finger in there.
Oh, that's cool. That was super
Isn't that
cool. Like
Yep.
the first time I did it was this huge effect, and then like the other times it's just kind of like this small little.
Yep. Do you know why it does that?
I have no idea. Why does that work, Mel?
You know, I'm not quite sure, but it has something to do with the molecules in the water.
Okay.
When there's nothing interrupting the molecules, it creates a little surface right on the top.
Oh.
Yeah. So once you have something that breaks up the molecules, and I think things that are in the soap,
Right.
I'm not sure what the ingredients are, but it's probably breaking up the molecules. So once you do that, it spreads the molecules and it moves everything on the side.
That's so cool. Awesome. Well, guys, if you liked this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, we'd like to hear your comments below. And if you have an idea of an activity you'd like to see here at Hands on Science, please let us know. And who knows, maybe we'll take your idea and do it on our next episode. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. We'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.